Imagine going swimming. Now, imagine going swimming, but the water looks like this. I'm sure you must be wondering, why is it green? Is it green because of duckweed or a harmful algal bloom? It is a harmful algal bloom. But what's so dangerous about a little alga, you're saying? I'll tell you. I'm here to inform. Harmful algal blooms are made up of cyanobacteria, which can make toxins like microcystin and BMAA. These are bad. They can make a person very sick. For example, microcystin is a hepatotoxin. Hepatotoxin is a word which here means a substance that hurts the liver. If your liver gets hurt badly enough, you may die. But how do we know for certain that there's toxins in the water? You're saying, I want to go swimming. You're saying, well, I'll tell you. You see, there's a test called an ELISA. It can tell you how many toxins are in the water. If you take a sample and you put it in an ELISA tray, the ELISA tray traps the toxin, so it can't get out. Then you can put an antibody in the tray. An antibody is kind of like an antitoxin. It's very good at finding toxins. Once the antibody finds the toxin, a color conjugate is added. Conjugate is a word that here means something that attaches to another thing. In an ELISA, the conjugate attaches to the antibody. Here the conjugate is like a little flag being held by the antibody. How cute! Now the antibody and the toxin have a flag. Next you can put the plate into a machine called the plate reader. It can look into the plate and count the flags. And when it does, it counts the toxins. Good job. That is how an ELISA test works. Can I go swimming yet, you're saying? Sure. Just be careful. Because if you go swimming and the water looks like this, it may have toxins in it.